People tell you don't cram. I am the living example that tell you, right, you jolly well just cram one. Honestly, right, your teacher give you a lot of homework right now when you're in Sec 4, right? So much homework, do for what? I am the person that literally make all your teacher question life decisions. Simple, I just don't do the homework lah. Then when they say, oh, prelim very important in life, well, honestly, you go poly, you need prelim meh? No need what? I give you an example. I got 39 in prelim, but when I sit my O level, I got 16. Why? The last 3 months cram. People tell you cramming is very bad for you. Honestly, I am a living, breathing example that show you that cramming actually works lah. So to simplify the whole process, we built this thing called a quiz engine. Quiz engine got 2 types. Free version means every week you got 1 quiz. You just do. The paid version, basically you can break down to subject and then break down to chapter. In the paid version, you got 2 types. One is called the learning mode. The other one is called the test mode. Learning mode, very easy one. Select the subject that you want. So in our case, we already preload E-maths for you. This one is the most important subject. You want to go poly, you must die pass E-maths. You do all the subject and the syllabus, and then you check whether you can clear the syllabus first. Maybe some people do algebra CC one, but other people do numbers and ratio cannot pass one. So you assess where your weak points are at. Finally, you got a test mode. Test mode is like time attack. You know, you play rally car, that one, the need for speed. If you meet the timing, you sure clear the stage mah. So I hope you really enjoy our quiz model. Try enter song. We're gonna put in chemistry next, bio next, and physics next. This one are your die subjects you must put in, you must clear to go and pass poly mah. Okay, have fun.